Welcome to Rally Academy Daily Market Analysis. My name is Alagbe Simon, a market analyst with Rally Academy. This morning, the 22nd of May in the year 2020, we'll be looking out for trading opportunity on USDCAD. This is USDCAD on the daily charts, and just as it was pointed out during the last analysis that the instrument was currently trading around a support region, and we should be expecting some retracement of that region. And in the last 2 days has been a testimony to that. Yesterday and currently, this is today's candle still trading bullish, which still confirm the analysis we had about 2 days ago on this instrument. So looking at this instrument on a lower time frame, so that we'll be able to pick our entry point for some bullish move, especially before this instrument is able to get to this resistance on the daily charts, because the instrument has been consolidating within this price region as 1.41896 and 1.38640 in the last couple of weeks. So we should still expect the consolidation to continue for a while, pending some breakout of this region. So in line with that, let's pick our entry point for a buy on this instrument. Let's check on the 4 hours also. Okay, so it's approaching what used to be a support at this price region, was currently a resistance for it also on the 4 hours time frame. So let's look at it on the 1 hour time frame. Okay, so this is the instrument on the 1 hour time frame, and here I can pick a trend line on this instrument. Okay, so I can pick that currently. And I should also look out for the resistance on this instrument. Okay. So around this region, we have a confluence of resistance for USDCAD, this trend line, as well as this resistance on the 1 hour chart. So before one would be able to pick a buy trade, the instrument should have successfully overcome this resistance as well as this trend line, and price region above that side, somewhere around this side, will be a very good entry point for a buy, because at this point it would have been able to successfully overcome the resistance as well as the trend line. So you can have a buy at this price region and then target somewhere around this price region. Although the overall target on the buy would be this resistance on the 1 hour chart, but for today let's just target this point for our take profit. So let's quickly place the trade so that we'll be able to take advantage of this opportunity once it breaks above both the resistance as well as the trend line. And another way, if the instrument fails to overcome both the trend line as well as the resistance, what we should be expecting is some retracement of these two confluence of resistance on the hourly chart. So the instrument would retrace if it couldn't overcome this, and then we can have a sell trade below this current candle, somewhere around this price, and then we target some pips away from that region. So somewhere around this side too will be a very good point to have a take profit. So let's place a trade in line with these two directions, and we should be able to take advantage of this opportunity and then make some money of it. So let's place the trade, come to new order, and because the instrument is not currently trading at the true price level stated here, so we'll be going for a pending order, and then the type of trade for the buy will be a buy stop, because we expect it to touch this price level and continue to trade higher until it gets to our take profit. So we go for a buy stop at price level 1.40283, and we have our take profit at 1.40494 1.40494. That's our take profit for the buy trade. So place the trade and then also place the sell trade. Peradventure, the confluence of this trend line as well as this resistance resist price and price could not overturn it, you should be expecting some retracement, and you can also make some money from that retracement from this confluence of resistance. So we go for a new order also, the same pending order, but this time around a sell stop at price level 1.39928, and our take profit will be at 1.39669. So we place the trade and we await the movement on USDCAD for us to make some money of it today. So let's also check on the fundamental front. Is there any major economic data that will be coming out that would affect movements on this instrument for today? Okay, so this is forexfactory.com, and today by 1:30 p.m. we're expecting core retail sales data from Canada. If we check the forecast in comparison to the previous, it's already sending a signal to traders. The previous was 0.0%, which means there was no growth the last time core retail sales data was released. But this time around, they're expecting, or they're envisaging, there will be a decline to the tune of 4.8%. So if the decline is above 4.8%, let's assume, or let's say we have minus 5% decline in core retail sales, then Canadian dollar will become extremely weak, and the bullish move we have envisaged on the instrument will even be stronger. So let's look out 1:30 p.m. and make some money also from USDCAD. So thank you very much for listening. Let's make some money from USDCAD today.